In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use support painting in Bambu Studio. The first thing that you want to do is to highlight your 3D model. So in my case, I'm going to be clicking on my model right here. Click on support and you want to make sure that the enable support is selected. And then you can choose either one of this, the normal manual or the tree manual. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the tree manual. From there, we then have to head over to the support painting. So just click on this option right here. And then to finally add your own custom support, you can then press the left click on your mouse and then it will apply the support painting manually. So in my case, I'm going to be applying to the specific parts right here. And if you also want to apply the support blocker, which will then block the supports from appearing, I then want to disable it into the face area of my design right here. And now to finally apply your changes, you can just click on the preview button, and from there you have successfully used the support painting in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.